Hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, so you can see here that I'm holding an egg. Now, I mentioned in the last VT that I was going to do an egg experiment. So we had a little play around here and we completed our egg experiment. Now, I wanted to share with you what we did, and I want to be able to give you guys the opportunity to be able to do it yourselves at home. Now, I just used one of the eggs, and one other ingredient was to use vinegar. So most of you have probably got these in your cupboards. I know that mine sits in my cupboard for a while and usually lasts us for a long time. So what a perfect way to get to use some of this vinegar is during an experiment. I then used a plastic bottle, which I just cut off carefully, and I popped my egg in and I poured the vinegar just enough depth for it to cover the egg, and then I popped it on the side and I left it there for 24 hours, one whole day. Okay, so that's twice around the clock. I observed it during those 24 hours to see what my egg was doing. That would be really great if you guys could maybe do a little egg diary and document the things that you see are happening to the egg whilst it's sitting in the vinegar. Now, after waiting patiently for 24 hours, I used my tongs and very carefully reached in and picked out my egg. Now, already I can see the colour's changed. I've also noticed that the consistency has changed of my egg. Wow, look at that. Very spongy egg. It's not hard anymore. Maybe you guys can give this a go at home. Observe and record the findings. And I want you to tell me why you think the egg has reacted this way. Interesting. Okay, so I look forward to those comments and from hearing from you guys. In the meantime, everybody stay safe, be happy, and I look forward to hearing or seeing you guys soon. Okay, bye.